Alright, so about to do some rear suspension on my brother's car because his rear struts are leaking, and when they're leaking it means they're fucked, so we're just about to take them out now. So firstly we're going to take the back seat out, then jack the car up and take the wheels off, and we'll go from there. He's just fucking around in his car expecting me to do all of it. Fucking take a look at this. Oi! Let's go! Come on mate, let's get the back seat out. Back seat out. Just lift up on it. It's fucking stuck. Alright, so yeah, I've taken the back seats out, and the reason why you do this is because, if you guys can see here, that's actually the top of the strut, so there's 3 bolts there. You have to undo those 3 bolts to get the top of it out, and then there's 2 bolts on the bottom you got to undo, which I'll show you guys shortly. Yeah, to get the bolts on the bottom, you have to jack the car up, take the wheel off, and then get them that way. Then basically this just comes off. Sweet. So yeah, about to unbolt the struts from the top shortly. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is I'm taking this off, because what I've realized is, I don't know if you guys can see, there's like a bolt behind these two, and I was thinking about just trying to get a ratchet back there and taking it off, but there's basically no space, so it's honestly easier to remove this and then take the seatbelt out, so there's actually space to get the bolt out. So that's what I'm doing now. But yeah, this is how it's looking. So it's, in theory, it's not a big job. I need to take all the back seat out and all this other shit, so yeah, ends up taking a while. Yeah, so I'm just trying to take the wheel nuts off, and whoever like put them on last, I assume they would have been impact gunned on. I can't fucking break the bolts, and I'm literally jumping on it with my entire body weight. They're not coming loose. So I just got my impact gun out. I'm just gonna fucking impact gun it, because I just can't be fucked. You don't even need to do wheel nuts that tight, man. It's fucking retarded. Just got the first one out. No, that's good. Just got the new ones bolted in. Yeah, so what I've done now is I've jacked up underneath the wheel to push the suspension all the way up, and then he's just bolting it in fully in here. Otherwise, if you don't do this, it's not going to be installed properly. Give it, because it needs time to break in. Fuck's sake! It needs time to break in. Don't worry, it needs time to break in.
That's so fucking high. It fucking made the front higher as well. Oh, for fuck's sake.
It needs time to break in.
Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god, cunt. I don't even want to fucking look at it, it's horrible.
The ride height's so fucking bad. That's the back, and then what the fuck? Front? Oh. It's so ugly. It was triggered. got to put the inside back together now, and then we're all finished.
The world ain't it funny, I'm one of a kind.
Got the side panels back on, part of the back seat. Nearly done. I know, I fucking still wanted some biscuits. Stop eating them. Fuck off, mate.
I started throwing chippings.
Chippins, fuck's sake. You just fucking A.